Euroboor Eco 36, the world's lowest magnetic drilling machine, only 165 millimeters in height. Powerful motor of 1050 watts. Quick Connect Cutter Fitment System. Annular cutting up to 36 millimeter diameter. Detachable ratchet feed handle for use on either side of the machine. Internal lubrication and place it anywhere cooling tank. Eco 36 magnetic drilling machine. Powerful, compact, designed and engineered with simplicity in mind.
Meet the all-new electric shovel, the Rotoshovel. It's a powerful electric auger, a precision digging tool, and a handy shovel, all inside this lightweight, battery-operated handheld power tool. The Rotoshovel is powered by a rechargeable 12-volt battery, giving you 2 hours of continuous use. Built inside is an incredibly powerful motor, ready to power through any tough soil or ground. Ready for a garden you'll be proud of? Get your own Rotoshovel today.
There's nothing more frustrating than when you're working on a project and your drill bit is dull. You're now faced with the prospect of ruining your hard work, which wastes time and money. If your drill bits are not sharp, they're no good to you. Never again. Introducing the Drill Doctor, the revolutionary drill bit sharpener built specifically to bring dull bits back to factory sharp in seconds. When you sharpen with Drill Doctor, you have the power and confidence to drill through anything. Here's the proof. A dull drill bit could slip, break, overheat, or worse still, ruin your project. We take that same bit, run it through the Drill Doctor, and after a few simple rotations, precision holes in seconds. The secret is the Drill Doctor's patented dual cam technology that moves the drill bit in two directions, in and out and up and down. This movement replicates the same dual motion that factories use to generate new drill bits. With Drill Doctor, now you can sharpen every drill bit you own. High-speed steel, carbide, tin-coated, cobalt, black oxide, and even masonry bits. Stop leaving your project in search of new drill bits. Now you can sharpen like the pros do in your own shop. Drill Doctor is a family-owned American business and has sold nearly 4 million sharpening tools since 1973. You already own a lifetime supply of drill bits. With Drill Doctor, restore those drill bits in seconds. Drill Doctor gives you the power to do it yourself. Get sharp and get back to work.